Get ready to quench your thirst and elevate your kitchen game with the ultimate watermelon juice hack. I'm Oluwatunseyi and you're welcome to my channel. This is the watermelon we want to use to try the hack. Get your chopping board, get your knife or knives, get a good knife. I want to make a circle around it. Be careful with your fingers so you don't get hot. I'm using my paring knife to make the zigzag marks. I nearly cut myself. Please be careful while doing this. You can just place it on a chopping board, let it lie flat or the other way around and then cut. That way your hand is far from the knife. Will it be a kitchen triumph or a juicy disaster? Let's find out together. Let's see if it works. So I pick up my hand mixer. Here we go. And whoosh! I messed up my countertop. And that's just it. Watermelon juice hack gone wrong. A couple of things went wrong here. Firstly, the slit I made, the round cuts I made was too wide. So next time I'll just make it exactly the width of the wrist. Okay? I mean the width of the mixing whisk. Also, I should have put it in a bowl. I mean a wild bowl, and place the watermelon in it before doing anything at all. That way, if there should be any spill or splash like what just happened, I know I'm not going to give myself unnecessary work to do. Okay, so if you're going to try it, please, these two things should be put into consideration. Thanks so much for watching me do this. Do you like it? It's effortless anyway, and also if you don't want to go through the stress of cleaning your juicer after extracting or after juicing, when you use your juicer, you can try this hack. Actually, the splash didn't make me clean around it very well to get enough juice, but I like the hack. How about you? It's the fun. This is one of the experiments and entertainment in the kitchen. Thanks so much for watching. Please kindly leave in the comments what you think about this hack. And there you have it, friends. The watermelon juice hack adventure is complete. Did this work for you? Share your watermelon wisdom in the comments below. If you enjoyed this watermelon juice hack, don't forget to smash that like button. Subscribe for more juicy content and ring the notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, stay fresh, stay fruity, and keep those creative juices flowing in your kitchen. Keep experimenting in the kitchen, and remember, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.